Is your Toronto business PIPEDA compliant? If you collect customer data, the answer better be yes. PIPEDA, Canada's Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documents Act, requires businesses to follow 10 privacy principles when handling customer data. You must obtain clear consent before collecting personal information, limit what you collect to what's necessary, and notify customers within 72 hours of any data breach. Non-compliance isn't just risky, it's expensive. Penalties can reach $100,000 per violation, plus reputational damage that can destroy your business. Group 4 Network specializes in PIPEDA compliance for Toronto businesses. We implement encrypted storage, access controls, audit trails, and breach response plans that keep you compliant and protected. Don't risk your business. Download our free PIPEDA compliance checklist or call us today for a complimentary assessment.